Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Seekh Kabab at home. First, ensure your ground meat is at least 80% lean for the best texture. You will need finely diced onions, garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Incorporate a blend of garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, and red chili powder. A small amount of roasted gram flour or chickpea flour helps bind the mixture effectively. Freshly chopped cilantro and mint will brighten the flavors significantly. We will guide you through each step to create delicious, restaurant-quality Seekh Kababs. Once all your ingredients are combined, the most important step is vigorous kneading. Use your hands to mix the mince for at least 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring everything is fully integrated and the mixture becomes sticky. This process helps create a cohesive bind, preventing the kababs from crumbling during cooking. After mixing, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes or even an hour. This chilling time firms up the mixture, making it much easier to shape later. To shape your Seekh Kababs, lightly grease your hands with a little oil or water. Take a portion of the chilled mince, roughly the size of a golf ball or about 2 ounces. Gently press it around a flat or round metal skewer, starting from one end and working your way down. Use your fingers to create the characteristic ridges and to ensure the kabab is evenly thick, about 3/4 of an inch in diameter. This precise shaping helps them cook through perfectly and look professional. For the best flavor, grill your Seekh Kababs over medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning them frequently. You want a nice char on all sides without drying out the interior. Alternatively, you can pan-fry them in a skillet with a tablespoon of oil for 12 to 15 minutes, rotating until golden brown. If baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 20 to 25 minutes, turning once. Ensure the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.